Guys, Shopee video is here. Have you checked your app yet? Yeah, so have a look, right? Now there is an extra button, Shopee video. So how to use it as a buyer, what you should do, and as a seller, what you should do. Okay, come let me explain. So first you press the Shopee video button. Okay, then what you do is if you are a buyer, just scroll through the videos and which product you like, you can click on link and you can buy direct. Okay, but as a seller, what we should do? Number one, we should upload videos. Okay, product videos that's related to our products. Upload them on Shopee video is just like TikTok. If you have some of your videos that you made for TikTok, but make sure that you upload non-watermarks. Okay, no watermark with TikTok watermark, please, on Shopee. So how you do that? First, you press the add video button. Then you can either upload a video or you can film a video. Just now I did a sample of this slide. Okay, you just demonstrate and then you can talk on the video. Then press the next button, and after that you put in your description and also the product tagging or the link. Then customer can watch the video and click your product and buy direct. So tell me, what do you think of this new feature on Shopee? I'm Kong, Lazada Senior Certified Trainer, and also very active on TikTok. So I teach my students, sellers, business people how to increase their sales and views on all platforms. So